Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today I'm out looking at a property here to give a bid on cleanup. What it is it's a lot of vacant land that needs to be cleaned up. And what we're looking at is about 17 acres. And they want to get this here all cleaned up here. So let me give you a little view of what I'm looking at here. Okay, here we go. It's this right here. You see this right here? All of this back here. This is where I'm at. I'm way on the other side of town, not in Houston. I'm out in some little country town here. But anyways, you can see this right here is what's grown up. And you can see where those trees on the 4-4 back end, well, they want to cut all of this here cleared out. They want to get that all of this here cleared out. Now the front side of the property, they have some cows on it, and that portion has been cut. But they want to move the cows to the back side. So they want to get all of this here cleaned up. So that's where I come in. They gave me a call about getting this here all cleaned up. So it goes all the way back here. I don't know if y'all can hear me because the wind is blowing. But let's walk some more here. I'm not gonna walk in there, but let's walk around. You can see. And what this is now, it's on the other side of the property. It's a new subdivision out here. As you can see right here, they got some water. I guess they're gonna have like a runoff here. Water, and I'll make it real pretty. But that's just part of it. Okay, looking back over here, let's see where the fence is at. That's where the fence goes right here. So I'm following this fence, and you can see all of that over there. To on the other side where they got some houses over there. But on the 4 end back here, it's here's where it's at. Hold on a minute, y'all. Right when I'm... Hold on a minute. Hello, thanks for calling me. Working like here. I can help you. That wasn't no call there. Somebody just in sales. But anyway, y'all, we're following the fence here, and as you can see, I'm walking all around following the fence. But it goes all the way to the 4 end back here. So as you can see, all of this back here is what they want to get cleaned up. And I know it's real high, and well, it can get cleaned up. It wouldn't be nothing that, well, you can get a bobcat with a blade on it and just take all of that down. Take about a day, maybe 2 days. But we're walking back here, and I'm gonna carry on the other side. Once I finish, I'm gonna get in the car, and then we're gonna ride, and you can see the other side, what I'm talking about here. So let's see, I'm walking. So it's a ways. I'm still following the fence. I'm not gonna get all of in there, but so none of this other stuff over here on this side. Just on the other side of the fence. That's what we're looking at. Cleaning that out. So I'm walking all the way to the back here. And a lot of times I get a lot of these calls, but I don't share all of these different events I go on for is giving estimates on doing these cleanup jobs here. So let's take a look over here. Now I know these kind of jobs, yeah, they're good money in them. Real good money. You can get them all cleaned up. And, well, if you do a good job, then you get repeat business. So, you know, they'll call you every year to come out and clean this up for them. But you got to get in there and do a good job for them, though. And that's where it comes in. And it takes money to make money, so you got to spend the money to get the equipment to do it. So, no problem, though. I mean, you can get in there. You probably can even do a bush hog, but I don't know, a skidster or whatever. But just following the fence all the way where you see those trees on the other side, that big thicket. You see from there, that's where it's going. All of this here will have to be mowed. All of it, just all of that down. So, okay, the wind is very high out here. Oh man, the wind is overtaking my microphone and my camera, and yeah, I know you can hardly hear me because I'm listening to the video and I can't hear myself. So I'm gonna do a voiceover on this here just to explain to y'all what I was looking at on this here property, what was actually, you know, going on while I'm walking here, and I'm thinking about it of you know, what it's gonna take to get this here job done. So this is what I'm looking at, and the wind was just overbearing. You couldn't really hear in this part. Well, looking at this here property, and you know, all the debris out here and the overgrowth of grass, oh, that's going to take some time to get that all cleaned up. And you know, you just think about what type of equipment that you need. I know some of those big tractors with the bush hog on the back, those big ones, I mean, you know, probably with the 96 deck that spreads way across, that you could possibly get in there and mow with. But you're gonna have to have one of those big old tractors to get in here and just mow that down. And you're probably looking at, I would say, I mean, a day or 2 days actually on this here, depending on how well, you know, you can clean it up. I don't know what is all out there. We don't know if there's any sinkholes or mud holes or puddles or what else out there. But those are things that you just got to factor in and think about it. And then think about a price of cleaning this up. This ain't going to be something that is going to be cheap. I mean, it's going to take some time to do it. And a lot of times, you know, customers start searching around, because I know they had somebody to do the front section. And now, you know, they want to get the back section, the back portion of this taken care of. And that's just something, I don't know, I'd have to just really sit down and think about it, and think about what equipment that I can use to possibly get this done in a timely manner and possibly make a profit out of it. So that's something I'm just going to have to think about and putting something together. It's not something that can just up and say what you can do. You just got to know you can do it by outlining what you need to use to get something like this taken care of. Okay, y'all, I'm finna come back in. I know this wind has been getting me here. Hello, thanks for calling We Rock Lawn Care. How can I help you? Hey, I'm doing all right. Oh man, I'm just one that's blowing out here. I'm gonna give me one of the, well, on this camera here, I'm gonna have to give me, use one of my other cameras when I can get one with I can put attach a microphone to it. with a wind muff on it. Okay, all right, as we walk around where we started from, as you can see, this part right here, this is where it start out. And right up to this section up there. Well, you see, that's the front part where the cows are. So I think this section right in here. So what we're looking at, all of this here that's grown, I think it's sectioned off, and you can see right in here, this is real thick. Oh God, y'all, my phone is ringing now. I'm trying to do this video and it keeps ringing. Hello, thanks for coming. We're going here. I can help you. Hey Jimmy, how you doing there?
Well, is it supposed to rain tomorrow?
No, not maybe next week, but not tomorrow.
Well, we need to get this knocked out because it's getting too big.
Okay, I'll get over there tomorrow.
Are you gonna come in the morning or in the evening?
I'm gonna see. I'm gonna look at my schedule tonight, and I'll see if I can get there in the morning.
Well, just call me if you're not coming, okay?
Okay, I'll call you.
And I'll talk to you tomorrow then.
Okay then. All right. Take
Bye-bye.
care. All right. Bye-bye. Okay. Customers want to talk, you know, and but anyway, y'all, let me get back to what I was saying. See, that's what happens sometimes when I'm out doing a video and somebody call me and I try to get the video, and next thing I know, I done double talk myself. I done said something once and then I done said it again, and people say, hey, you're repeating yourself and all this and that. But I'm busy, y'all. I'm busy. I got a number of things going on. I'm trying to do this video and trying to share that with y'all, and I was trying to give you what I'm working on with this estimate here for this property here, as I was telling you, and my phone had done run twice. And see, sometimes when I'm doing a video, that happens, and then I go back to the video and I'm like, oh yeah, I already said that, you know, and I'm looking at the video and I'm like, oh man, I gotta go with it because I was busy. I don't want to, you know, just chop my video up and leave everything out. But anyway, y'all, let me finish giving you this view of what I'm working on here. Well, I'm trying to work on this estimate. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the first section of this here property. 17 acres in the front towards this, and further up where the cows are, they've already cut that area. And this point right here is where they want to start and get all of this here cut. And then this on this here side is another 17 acres. So they want to get that part, all of this here, all cleaned up. So okay, we're looking at it. I got the camera on. Okay, I'm gonna start at the front. Okay, here we go. Okay, as you can see right there, this is where the property begins. Now the front section of this property has been cleaned off. This area right in here, that's been cleaned off. So, you know, I'm on the other side and I'm giving y'all a view. Let me see if I can let this, well, maybe I can still hear me. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can let the window down. But as you can see, all of that's been cleaned off. So what I'm working on is the section here where it's gonna be real high. We're going to all the way to the end. See where the cows are? All of that's been cleaned off. So they want to get this backside over here clean. Okay, so this is the starting point. See where the fence at? Okay, right there. They want to get all of that cleaned up right there. Starting there, going all the way, you know, all the way down. So we're still going, And as you can see, this here, see, it's real high, but You want to get all of that cleaned up. So we're going all the way. As you can see right here. So we're going all the way right here. Right there. Right there. All the way back down here. So all the way. So as you can see, well, they working on this section here, so I don't want to be in their way. So they want to get all of this here, right here, all the way down here. Okay. So all the way, all of this back in here is what they want to get all cleaned up. So let's see. All right, y'all, hold on. Quiet gear. Let me get out of here, okay. All right. Okay. All right, as we can see, all of this back here is what they want to get all the way. They want to get all of this here cleaned up, and it's thick off in there too. So you see all of this here, they want to get it all the way to the end back here. So we just walking. So yeah, and I see where there's some water right in there. So this here is what they want to get cleaned up. All right, y'all. So that's a lot of work into that. They're seeing from the front to the back. You know, this here backside right over here is supposed to be 17 acres. Then that up in the front was 17 acres. So just looking at that over there, y'all, that's a lot of work in there, getting in there to clean that up. So tell y'all what, I'm gonna post a video. Y'all tell me what equipment I need to get this job done, and what would you bid on doing something like this, you know, and again, what equipment, what tractors would I need to do this? So leave in the comment section what you would bid, and let me know, and I'll put it together, and I'll present it and see if they go for it. All right, y'all, stay tuned. I gotta go now. Bye. I got another one to go work on.